This AI animation generator tool can truly change the field of graphic design and animation generation, as well as YouTube content creation. If you are interested in creating animation videos like the examples shown, you can utilize this website to start producing animation content. Before diving into the details, let me provide you with some information. There are two approaches you can take. The first one is stable diffusion, but it is more technical, slightly more complex, and requires more time to set up. Additionally, stable diffusion performs optimally when your computer hardware meets specific requirements. If you prefer to avoid technical complications, we are here to explore Kaiber AI, which can handle the speed, stability, and deform diffusion aspects of animation generation. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step is to visit Kaiber AI. Once you are there, simply click on sign up, create your account, and you will receive 70 to 80 credits to generate approximately 8 to 10 animation videos. That's all it takes to sign up. Once you have signed up, proceed to the next step. Click on create video and you will be presented with three options. The best choice is to begin with an initial image. The second option is to transform an existing video, and the third option is to add your own song or audio. For this video, we'll focus on the first option, which is free to use. Click on begin with an initial image. After clicking, you need to select an image from your computer. For example, I will choose this one. Click on open and proceed to the next step. Click on the continue to prompt. After clicking, you will find two options. The first one is I want to create a video. By selecting this option, the system will automatically fill in the necessary details by analyzing the uploaded image. As you can see, it describes the image as a man with a beard standing in front of a tall building at night with a city in the background. This is the information extracted from the image. The next step is determining the style we want to generate the animated image. Most people prefer using the climate style as it offers a greater impact. After receiving the prompt, you can add additional information if desired. After selecting cinematic, click on video settings. This will prompt you to confirm a few details. The first one is to select the video duration. We will stick with 8 seconds as increasing the duration requires more credits. So we will choose 8 seconds. Regarding camera movement, you can opt for zooming in and out. This won't cost you any additional credits, but feel free to use it if you prefer. For the time to show the initial image in the first frame, we will go with the default settings. This allows us to create an animated image transition from our initial image to the animation. The evolve setting determine the level of stability. Lower values yield more stability, while higher values result in a wilder animation. As you can see, it states that this will cost 8 credits. Now we will click on create a video. You can also add a song or any video, but we will ignore that for now. Click on go to preview frames. It will take approximately 30 seconds to generate the image options from which you can choose. After a brief processing period, you receive 4 test images to select from for our animation video. I believe I prefer the 4th one. So now we have chosen this image. Click on create video. After clicking, it will take around 10 seconds to generate the video for you. The video is currently being composed from the image. It only takes a few seconds, and here it is. As you can see, it has produced an 8 seconds video. Let's play it to see how it looks. This is an impressive animation video. You can add as many details as you want and obtain a video or image. Now it's ready to be uploaded on YouTube or sold to others. You can generate animations and sell them to clients, upload these videos to your YouTube channel, or utilize them for personal purposes. If you find this process easy, just like this video and subscribe to this channel for more exciting content. Let me know in the comments if you have enjoyed it or if you have any questions along the way. I'll be delighted to assist you. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.